In this video, we'll show you how to configure a computer to power on automatically after a power outage on a Gigabyte motherboard. For demonstration, I will first find the IP address of the computer. Next, restart the computer. Press the delete key repeatedly to access the BIOS setup page. Go to the Power tab. Enable the Platform Power Management option. Change the AC back option to Always On to ensure the computer powers on automatically after a power outage. Don't forget to save the changes and restart the computer. For example, from another computer on the same local network, ping the IP address of the configured computer. As you can see, the computer can be reached by ping. Now, remove the power cord to simulate a power outage. As you can see, the computer is shut down. Reconnect the power cord to the computer. After a few seconds, the computer will start automatically and can be reached by ping. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.